We know it's crucial for your daily operations to have access to current and accurate data, both within and beyond the financials. With our Excel-based reporting and automation platform, that up-to-the-minute information is always at your fingertips without ever leaving Excel. Spreadsheet Server establishes a dynamic connection to your ERP, core system, or relational data. This means automated population of reports and streamlined analysis, while leveraging your existing knowledge of Excel. You are now empowered to build any report without requiring IT intervention. Spreadsheet Server allows you to drill down into the details behind any report. This instantly provides a preview of real-time details from your ERP, core system, or relational database. You can then sort, group, and use criteria in your analysis. Drill down even further to a more detailed view for improved analysis and data visibility. You can even drill to an invoice image and originating transactions like sales, projects, manufacturing, and inventory. Easily export those details into an email, Excel, or PDF file in a single click. The drill down option provides increased data visibility and improved analysis. With the easy-to-use drag-and-drop Query Designer tool, Spreadsheet Server allows you to create custom reports across all operational areas without needing IT assistance. You can also blend GL data with information from other disparate sources into a single spreadsheet. Once a report is ready, Distribution Manager enables you to control who receives which data, when, and in what format. Eliminate tedious copy-paste special tasks. Convert formulas to values, apply password protection, and include attachments all in one single setup. The end result is an intuitive and time-saving process that maximizes efficiency in accessing, reporting, and analyzing data from your ERP. Spreadsheet Server users save an average of at least 50 hours per year on their reporting processes over their former methods. What could you do with 50 hours? Answer that question and more by visiting insightsoftware.com.